and welcome to The Print. This is Alisha Datta. Today I'm here at Jantar Mantar. This is the fourth day since the Sunset Chalo March began on the call of the Cockroach Janata Party. Scores of protesters across the country have been coming to Delhi to show their support for the cause. Earlier in the day, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, through social media platform X, communicated that the government would set up several fast-track courts to look into the NEET scam cases. However, people here say that that is not enough. Come, let's see what the protesters here think.
I believe that now whatever Modi ji has tweeted is too late. Or if you really want to set accountability, it cannot be set through the fast track route. It has to be done then and there only. Now the primary question is that why are we in such a situation when we are in a position that we, by any chance or by mere means, we can justify whatever Modi ji is saying, and we have no trust because we have been protesting here for more than 50 days, and since then Modi ji has not spoken a single word. And if something like that is happening, then how can we trust on the government? How can we now take government into the confidence? So this is something which is very hard for us to believe, and as a student I would believe that Modi ji should come and he should rather speak or have an interaction with the children than when he does Pariksha Pe Charcha. Similarly, he should have an interaction with us. So we have no faith, no belief in the fast track courts which have been set up by the Modi government.
There are already fast track courts for MP and MLAs matter and countless other matters, but we don't see any real life changes due to it. Because the problem which creates the plates still is the same which creates the plates which are specially made for specific matters, even the CBI matters. There is separate plates for CBI matters. But still it takes years and years to solve those results. And my point is, we cannot just put a fast track course for NEET because these are students. Their life is gonna change just because of the paper within a period of months. They do not have years, 5 years, 10 years to wait for the result. What Mr. Modi, our respected Prime Minister, needs to do is show his true political will by coming behind the students and first of all meeting the demand that the Education Minister should put his resignation and take responsibility, and thereafter apply the recommendations of the ex-research scientists in conducting papers like NEET and even other competitive exams for jobs, because even they are getting NEET. The NEET is something which has happened countless times since the past 2 years. That's why it is in focus. But it's a day-to-day thing that each and every paper conducted by any government, whether state, central, gets leaked.
Okay, so my name is Arisha and I am a responsible youth of this country and I am here from 20th.
Hi, my name is Yudhiti and I've been here from 7th of July. I've been coming not like every day but like a few days only.
Okay. Yeah, so first of all, that is not what we are saying, what we are appealing for. Second thing, he should have came to us. He should have come up, given a statement, not to do it after a month. It would have been acceptable if he would have done this in a day or two. But no, not now. He is trying to compensate. हमें compensation नहीं चाहिए, वो तो दे दिया ना NEET करा के. What about the students who died? Who have died? I mean, this is not the way. We are demanding to terminate the person who is responsible. जिसकी वजह से ये हुआ, उसे तो हटाइए आप. अब ये माइकी का माना कि we are gonna change the systems, we are gonna do this, we are gonna do that. पहले भी ऐसा नहीं था, ये पेपर सड़क पे आता था. जेई का पेपर कितने एडवांस सिस्टम्स में आता है, still people are able to hack it. Welcome.
राइट नाउ आज के लोग इस सरकार को क्रिटिसाइज कर रहे हैं, तो क्यों आप डिसेंट को अलाउ नहीं करते हैं? क्यों आप उनको दिल्ली पुलिस की लाठियों से कुचल देते हैं? क्यों आप दिल्ली पुलिस की पोशाक में गुंडों को भेजते हैं जिनके नेम प्लेट्स नहीं है? क्यों आप उन्हें भेजते हैं इस तरीके से स्टूडेंट्स के ऊपर मार पिटाई करने के लिए? क्यों आप इस चीज की अकाउंटेबिलिटी लेने से इतना डरते हैं कि आप लिटरली कुछ भी करेंगे? आप दिल्ली पुलिस को यहाँ पे गवर्नमेंट करते थे, लेकिन आप CRPF भी सुनने में आ रही है कि तो मेरा बस यही कह रहे हैं कि क्यों प्रधानमंत्री जी क्यों प्राण जाए तो प्रधान ना जाए, क्यों ऐसा क्या है उस एक मंत्री के अंदर जो एक कुर्सी खोया, आपका जनाजा थोड़ी है जो आप छोड़ेंगे नहीं। हमने आपको बिठाया, हमारे पैसे से हमने आपको पावर में डाला, हमने आपको ये पावर दी और आप ये पावर हमारे ही अगेंस्ट यूज कर रहे हैं। क्या मांग रहे हैं हम? पीसफुली रेजिग्नेशन ही तो मांग रहे हैं, इतनी बड़ी चीज तो कुछ मांगे नहीं।